St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Laitumkhrah Shillong hakakat saw tarik leber arhajar arpun reo kalapenlong yaka one day annual school sports meet hamadan donbosco mini stadium balawan play de ukongsan ba lakamen rumbui Menteri Puli Putih ke Meghalaya hakajing senran lang ke principal ki padar ki sestar ki nong hikai bad ki hajar ngut ki kemi ki kpa jong ki kena school ki balawan ban pet it yala ki khon bad pan ai men se meki hakajingkran ukongsan ulaong bantai ya ka imlang salang de bantai shwa ya la ka yeng ka sem hakishnong ki thau bad ka jalahi barok away da ka basandur ya ka jingnang jingtip ka perkhat perdan bad ka akor ka buram lengba ki jing hikai na ki school haka march pass barashim banta de ki pabun ki school ka loreto convent school kalara ya ka nam ladu beningkong bad ka pine mount school kalawan baar na kalyang ki kenthei katba na kalyang ki shinrang ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School kalawan beningkong bad ka Hillcrest School kalawan baar.
Now I request everyone intentionally pursue moral excellence in all we do. And knowledge is the pursuit of understanding truths. Along with our head girls and the commander, we have the school team captains of the secondary and higher secondary section. The Delo team captain is Khubor and Mills team Lapisa Malno. The school leaders are now taking their salute at the dais. We have Delo team right behind them, commanded by our donbosco, record bearer in Sadarisa El Maula and flag bearer Ranpa M. Bhar. Closely behind them is the Leonard team in the bright yellow color, commanded by FTV Samla Karnap, led by placard bearer Napisabet Shabat and flag bearer Yarisa Harsentir. Taking the salute now is the Meghalaya House in green, commanded by Enrique Titarian, placard bearer Grisel R.P.R. Shanklia, and flag bearer Zabida Pillan Mango. We also have the Mills team, commanded by Tanvidas Gupta, led by placard bearer Rumika S. Bakar, and flag bearer Nesha Aikul Foxit. Closely behind them is the Delo team from the higher secondary section. Commanded by Zenika Karluki, placard bearer Bahulong and flag bearer Jetsimai Sten. Approaching the dais now is the Leonard House, commanded by Bhakti, commanded by Terry Akalinga, placard bearer Juliana Raji, and flag bearer Hapinathan Pinka. Finally, we have the Mills team, led by Commander in Samla Monsier, led by placard bearer Sapipantina Sukhini and flag bearer Latina Manu. Starting the inter-school march. Their motto is lighted to enlighten. The contingent is commanded by Sapina E. Lindo, led by flag bearer Khubor and flag bearer Khubor. Khubor High Secondary School girls with a motto distinguished character, taking their salute led by Commander R.D. Samla, flag bearer Liwa Dabudika Melvin and flag bearer Jessica Shillong. We now have PC Secondary School girls. Their motto is "Let Your Light Shine." Taking their salute, commanded by Michelle M. Morgan, flag bearer Babika Edunbai and flag bearer Annabeth Khubor. Middle Angel Secondary School. Is taking their salute, commanded by Laitumkhrah, led by Purvini Bajjan and flag bearer Sophia Morgan. Loretto Convent is now approaching the dais and taking their salute. Their motto is "In Good Cause We Trust," commanded by Nandini Yadav, the flag bearer What's Up Lamia, and flag bearer Eden H. Guma. Pine Lawn School is right behind them. Their motto is "Heaven's Light, Our Guide," commanded by Papa Upadre, flag bearer Rani Wanwa, and flag bearer Ritika Papa. Seven secondary school girls, their motto, "The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom," commanded by Jia Pukan, flag bearer Emmy Ramula Lindo, and flag bearer Chanel Shabbat. St. Anthony's High Secondary School. St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School girls, their motto, "Knowledge, Wisdom and Virtue," commanded by Dayahunak Muli, flag bearer Krisa Mashari, and flag bearer Emilia Langamon. The boys' contingent is now approaching the dais. Divine Savior High Secondary School boys. Their commander, my own Vesta Rock, flag bearer Ryan Dura, and flag bearer Jeremiah Miller. Hillcrest Higher Secondary School. Their motto, "Wisdom with Character," commanded by Willard O'Brien Noble, led by Papa bearer Tanish Bhomik, flag bearer Benedido A. Santi. Approaching the dais now is Kiddies Corner Secondary School boys, with their motto, "Let Your Light Shine." Their commander is Ruben Tommy, the flag bearer Denzel D. Medica, and flag bearer Dashandor S. Dada. And flag bearer Yuvraj Rajaraj. St. Edmund's School boys with their motto, "Fakta Nombarva, Beats Not Words," approaching the dais now. Their commander, Jaden Eves A, flag bearer Daniel Black, flag bearer Angus Carr. Behind them is the little ones from St. Mary's English School, led by their commander, and flag bearer Yarisa C. Bengal. Right behind them is St. Mary's Lower Primary School. Vietnam Runway.
Sometimes, when we look at others, sometimes when we look around us, we don't feel the value of ourselves. When we don't know the value of ourselves, it led us to confusion, it led us to desperation, it led us to so many things. So my dear friend, first and foremost, you should know the value of yourself. God has given you the life. God has given you the skills. God has given you the opportunity. It is up to you. The secondary sciences cannot do much if you yourself, you are not understanding the value of yourself. You are not willing to take out the skills in you. So it is very, very important for you to understand who are you and what you want to do. And in our life, when we want to do something to reach our goal, there are so many difficulties in our life. But remember, every difficulties, it is also an opportunity for each one of us. The most important thing is that we should try as much as possible to reach our own destination. And most importantly, also, when we want to reach our destination, our mindset should be very dynamic. Because the world around us is changing every day. When you are in class 5 or class 6, you want to do something. But when you reach class 10 or 11, it opens your eye, you want to do something else. So your mindset should be very dynamic according to situation, so that you are able to reach your destination and to cope with any difficulties which you are encountering. And you are very lucky today, where, as I said before, where we have to face full of challenge, but there is also a full of opportunity. Government of Meghalaya, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, has opened so many things to enable our youth, to give the opportunity to our youth of today. We have seen that so many programs of the government tailoring towards empowering the youth. So it's up to you how you avail yourself those opportunities. And as you know, 2027, the government of Meghalaya will host national games. This open an opportunity for you to show your skills, to prepare yourself. Who knows? When the anchor today announced her as some the torchbearer of today, she won some medal in some event in national or regional. And we know also some of you have got some medal honor. Practice. Let this national game of next year will be a stepping stone for further successful in your career. As I said, The government also cannot do everything on its own. We need only to give you an opportunity. And the government try to do its best. And you have seen that many people, when we talk about the rising cost of living, the rising cost of education, the government also think what can it contribute. We are trying to keep accessible education to all parts of the state. But having said that, it is not very easy. We know that scholarship is very, very important for the student. That's why Honorable Chief Minister, besides all our scholarship, this year we introduced one more scholarship, which is Chief Minister's scholarship scheme, to give the opportunity to help the students who are in need. But having said that, as I said, the government on its own cannot do. We are all the stakeholders. We are all the stakeholder of our state and of our country. Let us build. Our duty is to give opportunity, and your duty is to hone your skills, to acquire knowledge as much as possible. And we just see last week, when the result of the civil service of UPSC, we have seen since 2013-14, known for our state. I used to question myself. This is the sixth year I work at the education department. I used to wonder where it is lacking. Why before 2013 there are few people who are able to pass the exam? Why not now? I used to question myself whether our education system is not good. But when I researched, no, whether the government does not give opportunity? No, because the government has given the scholarship, has established institute, have tied up institute for those who want to pursue the career in civil service. But we as the parent, as the citizen of the state, we should introspect where is life. Let us join hands together to build the Meghalaya, a beautiful Meghalaya. I wish the teachers of the institution, let us work together. I know that in this institution, some are paid by the government, some are paid by the management. And as you know that the problem in Meghalaya is, I'm not going to say anything, this is not the time to say, but there are some. But we are trying to solve each one. But having said that, let us collectively put our duty is that to build the better society. And to build a better society, we have to start from the family, we have to start from the school and society. Together will be. I wish the St. Mary's High School all the success in the years to come. May God bless you, each one of you. May God bless all the students of St. Mary's High School, all the students participate, and all the students of Meghalaya, and especially the school managing committee. Thank you very much. Khuborjylla, Methala, Jai Hind.
meters race in the inter-school boys. Winning the bronze medal, Laitumkhrah Divine Saviour High Secondary School. Silver medal, Bibek Paul St. Anthony's High Secondary School. And finally, the gold medal goes to St. Edmund's School, Hovanil Saukme. This is for the 200 meters race. Winner, Fenelicia Basayamot Loreto Convent. And finally, the gold goes to St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Pilarishisha Milemna. Winners of the 200 meters inter-school. For the next winners, I request Sister Judith to please help us in handing out the medals and certificates.
When I write my story, I'm gonna say that I did it for the glory. But don't think that I did it for the fame, yeah. I did it for the love of the game, yeah. And this is my chance I'm taking.
I would like to thank our chief guest, Deputy Commander, 6th MLP Battalion, Shrimati Nina Rabha, for having helped us, and Sister Amabel Lingdo, RNDM, former principal.
C is for the courage I possess through the drama. H is for the hurt, but it's all for the honor. A is for my
Past pupil winners. Winning gold, Cheerfully Pingrove, 2 into 100 meters race. The gold medal is won by Cheerfully Pingrove. Silver medal goes to Angeline C. Nongrum. And bronze for the 200 meters race, past pupil race. Please come forward to collect.
Who wants it the most? Fight for what we believe in. That's what champions are made
Thank you so much, Sister Judith.
Be the last one standing, 2 hands in the
High secondary girls, I hope you're ready.